It's important to note that beta software can be unstable and may contain bugs, so proceed with caution. Want to experience the latest features and innovations from Apple before their official release? Be ahead of the game with the all-new features, improvements, and enhancements that come with installing the iOS 18 public beta. Here's a step-by-step guide that you can follow to download the public beta of iOS 18 on your devices instantly. However, it's important to note that beta software can be unstable and may contain bugs, so proceed with caution and make sure to back up your data regularly. Step-by-step guide to installing public beta iOS 18. Connect your iPhone or iPod Touch to your computer and open iTunes. Select your device and click Backup Now to create a backup of your data. Go to the Apple Beta Software Program website and sign in with your Apple ID. Click Sign Up and agree to the terms and conditions. Now, on your iPhone or iPod Touch, go to the Settings app. Tap General and then Software Update. Tap Public Beta and then enroll your device. Enter your Apple, Idaho, and password to confirm. Go back to the Settings app and tap General and then Software Update. Tap Download and Install to begin downloading the iOS 18 public beta. Once the download is complete, tap Install Now to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After installation, your device will restart and you'll see a welcome screen. Follow the prompts to set up your device, including setting up Face Idaho or Touch ID and configuring other settings.